Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Snow Song by A.K.Riley Dongmo. Please enjoy. Snow Song. Fine pearls of snow, then a twirl of snow, around the abs, a curl of snow. Through black red trees twirls the snow, the winter wind unfurls the snow. A long white glittering latch of snow. Faster, 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 snow. The sky is revealing into snow. Or unveiling into snow. The pond is lathering up with snow. The hills are knitted caps of snow. Glittering, tickle me, snow. Slow, the word is swallowed, snug in snow. Time to dwiddle, says the snow. We waddle through the creamy snow. Dreaming, dreaming, dreaming snow. So soft, the snow frogs the snow upon the trees and spangled streams up to my knees.
Upper respiratory tract infection and headache may occur. Tell your doctor about your medicines if you're pregnant or planned. Doctors have been prescribing
Shimmering and flow, I love the snow. I love the snow. Above the snow, one pearl of snow, the moon aglow on worldly, kindly shining snow. And all the stars, all the stars, bright falling stars, are made of snow. Who knows? A snow song. What y'all think? How many of you enjoy snow? Let me know if you get snow where you're at. Give me a thumbs up. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Until the next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take